combining intensive medical care, compassionate hearts, and helping hands. That's the mission of the Fiesta Capacita, the 12th annual, held right here at the Integracion Club. And the event is sponsored by Community Living Windsor. And here to talk more about the event is the organization's Executive Director, Xavier Notamir. And Xavier joins me now. Xavier, so great to see you, and thanks for joining me tonight.
Nice to have you here, Kevin.
And can you tell me more about the incentive or the mission here at the Integracion Club tonight?
Absolutely. So as you mentioned, this is our 12th annual fundraising event, and we provide medical aid to children with disabilities in Nicaragua. So the money we raise here tonight is going to go to purchase medication and to fund orthopedic consultations and physiotherapy consultations in the capital city and in some rural and remote villages in the country.
And can you tell me about some of the challenges that those children face in Nicaragua and why it's important for your organization to be involved in this cause?
Absolutely. Well, Nicaragua is actually the second poorest country in the Western Hemisphere, right next to Haiti. So the average Nicaraguan only makes about $2 a day. So if you have a family member with a disability, life is even much more difficult for you. And so you would never be able to afford to pay for medication or medical care, even if you could get it. And that's where the Capacita project comes in. We help to provide the medical care and we help to provide the medication.
To date, the humanitarian efforts of Community Living Windsor have resulted in $255,000 being raised in support of the cause. Thus far in 2012, those involved in the initiative have successfully been able to generate $20,000, which signals their annual financial commitment to the country, allowing 600 children to receive general medical assessments and specialized care in the areas of physiotherapy, cardiology, and orthopedics. Furthermore, 150 children continue to receive monthly life-giving anticonvulsant medication.
Well, in the year 2000, the city of Windsor hosted a conference called the Organization of American States, where they gathered the political leaders from North, South, and Central America. And at that time, we met some family representatives from Central America who had come here to speak to their political leaders. And we had dinner with them one night, and we said, if there was anything we could ever do for you, what would it be? And they said to us, well, our children are dying because they don't have access to anti-convulsant medication. And we kind of thought, maybe we can do something about that. And that's how this kind of was born out of that initiative.
And logistically, talk to me about how it's coordinated and how your effort over in Nicaragua is coordinated to maximize the service.
Okay, so I'm a co-chair, so I'm the representative from Community Living Windsor and the Canadian side of it, and I have a co-chair in Nicaragua, and his name is Dr. Mejia. He's a geneticist and a pediatrician, and he's actually someone who started a parent movement for family members with disabilities in Nicaragua. So we linked up with them, and they're kind of our people on the ground in Nicaragua. They help us distribute the medication, organize the medical clinics, and he works right out of the Children's Hospital in Nicaragua. So we have a great link in the country to help us do the work.
And finally, what would be your last message out there to our viewers about this event itself and the cause itself, and how can our viewers help if they're so inclined to do so?
Well, we have a website. It's called www.capacita.org. People are free to make donations right through our website. And I guess my message would be, I'm always amazed at the generosity of people in Windsor and Essex County who give so willingly, not only for needs within our own community, but also looking beyond our own borders and recognizing there are people all over the world that need assistance. So very proud to live in this community and to be assisted in the way that we are.
Well, Xavier, I thank you for your time and for your efforts by your organization to try and make our world at large a better place. And I thank you for joining me today.
It's my pleasure. Thank you, Kevin.
From the Integracion Club, reporting from the 12th annual Fiesta Capacita, I'm Kevin McShan for CFTV.